What's up everyone, my name is Troy from TechGamesEtc, and today we have an unboxing. This is the Canon Portrait and Travel 2 lens kit. Now this kit comes with a 50mm lens and a 10 through 18mm lens as well. But before I get started, if you did not see my last video where I unboxed the Anker, this is an Anker power pad for charging. You can go ahead, look in the link in the description box below if you're watching on YouTube, and you can look at that video as well. Now let's get started. So I was in the market for a camera about a year ago. I'm actually using a camera now that this lens is going to. This is the T7i, Canon Rebel T7i. Now as far as this lens goes, I had to figure out why did I buy this in the first place. See, I bought this lens kit and this camera that I'm using right now about a year ago. And it stayed in a box forever until I decided to do an unboxing and really start using my equipment. And I realized, I was like, why did I buy this? Why did I buy this? And when you look on the back, the 10 through 18mm lens is a wide angle lens, but also I heard good things about the 50mm lens as well. They always call it the nifty 50. It's just a great lens to use overall. So let's go ahead and do this unboxing and let's see what's inside. How do you do this one? God dang. Oh, it's right here. Alright, so like I said, I was in the market for this, and I don't know if I'll ever do a review on it, because I don't this is my first DSLR camera, and I don't know what is important if you're trying to review lenses. If y'all have any suggestions, please leave it in the comment section. Oh my goodness. This box right here, I'll tell you. Okay, hold up. I don't want to rip it, but I have to. Oh, come on. Hold on, y'all. I gotta get down on one knee real quick. I'm trying to. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. Got it. Got it. Okay, there we go. Boom. Boom. Oh, it comes in two separate boxes. Great. That looks good. That looks really good. So let's go ahead and start with the Let's go ahead and start with the 50mm one. Yeah, I haven't opened these boxes, like I said, in about a year. I hope these lenses are here. I hope I don't get no rocks or no bricks or a bar of soap or anything. Okay. What we get here? Alright, looks like some Canon limited warranty pamphlet, as y'all can see. Alright. We also have some lens instructions right here. Put that. There we go. Alright. Yeah, I'm really excited. This is my first DSLR camera. I'm really excited to figure out all the tricks to this camera. I actually got, I say, some quarantine reading. Let me go here. Right here. That's for the PowerShot camera, and this is for my Rebel one as well. So I'm gonna definitely read these manuals. It's not as big as you think because it's just broken down into English, Spanish, and French. So the sections are pretty small. But let's go ahead and get back to this. But like I was saying in the beginning of this video, give me some ideas of what y'all want me to do as far as reviewing, if you want to, what you want to know about these cameras as well. Oh, I forgot about the price. My bad. This kit was like $349, and I got a protection plan for $33.99 as well. I bought this on Amazon, and there go the lens right there. Let that zoom in real quick. Hold up. All right. That looks gorgeous. And also the cap in the back as well. It's kind of built solid. Look at that. Dang, that looks awesome. All right. So we got that one out the way. We got that one out the way. Now to the 10 to 18 millimeter lens. But let me tell y'all how serious I wanted these cameras. Like I not only have the T7 but I also did an unboxing for the PowerShot G5X. I bought these cameras. I bought the accessories for these cameras long before I bought the camera. That's how serious and crazy I am about what I want as far as a product goes. I picked both of these cameras because I love the design, and they're phasing out these cameras shortly for like the Mark II and other cameras as well. We got another manual in here. We have another lens instructions there. All right. There go the cap off of that one. And the cap off of that one. Oh, so this is the back, this is the front. Oh, hold up. There we go. Well, there you go. All right, there you go. This is the unboxing for the Canon Portrait Travel 2 Lens Kit. But there y'all go. There y'all have it. Let me know in the comment section, what do y'all want me to test these camera lenses on? I was thinking about doing a test on my balcony, but I don't think it's going to serve these lenses justice if I don't go out and experience them. But there y'all go, man. There y'all have it. Thank y'all so much for this unboxing video. If you like what you saw today, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps out a lot. I try to post a video at least once a week, whether it's a live stream video, review, whatever. But thank you so much for watching. I'll see you later. Thanks a lot.